They don't come much better than this. Wide track Defender commercial hardtop 110 in Carpathian Grey on a 26 with delivery miles. This has the jump seat, the air suspension, the factory deployable towbar. Exceptional commercial vehicle if you're in the market for a 110. The road presence on this one is outstanding. You'll see us buying and selling them very quickly every week. So if you're in the market for a 26 hard top, this is VAT qualifying, it's plus VAT. Let's pick out all the amazing features of this vehicle. First and foremost, it's in Carpathian Grey. It's a 26 plate, it's done 300 delivery miles. But with the wide track kit on, that gives you the arches. Flared arches, 22-inch wheels, lower canards, LED light input here, which look great with the extra inserts here, all in gloss black. This has the gloss black styling package, so two-tone black inserts into the wings and the bonnet, functional light pod, black mirrors, steps, mud flaps. It is a fabulous looking thing. But then on the inside, we have the jump seat, we have the dark crossbeam, we have the ambient lighting. It's an SE model, which gives you leather, it gives you Meridian sound, it gives you electric memory seats, but we've got air suspension, 360 camera, heated wheel, adaptive cruise. This comes as cold climate package to get the wheel. It's beautiful, it's in a new condition. There's nothing not to love about one of these as a business purchase, because you can buy it in your business, you can claim the VAT back, you can run it tax efficiently through your business. So give me a call and get it bought straight away. Extra styling to the rear is in the spare wheel cover, the rear spoiler, new style LED lights to the back. So these are now flatter and sharper, crisper LED lights, black Defender badging, black underbody, and then we have the space in the back, lockable space in the boot floor, and of course, as I've mentioned, the air suspension, the deployable towbar, along with the jump seat. They are the most desirable options. Now this is a D250, so it's 3-litre diesel, 250 horsepower. The towbar is unused, as is the vehicle really, delivery miles, and it looks great. So black styling under the body, over the arches, so that two-tone look with the black roof rails, keyless entry. But just the options this has got, it just is exactly as you'd want it. Stunning. So ambient lighting, Meridian sound, memory seat, steps help me get in it. Got a little control here for the light pod on the roof, so you can turn it on and off through that control. That's there to stick wherever you want to stick inside the car. 311 delivery miles, heated wheel. Now, I always say this about the inside of this. This is very, very stealthy inside, because we've got the dark crossbeam, which is the black bits or the very dark bits across the wheel and behind the dash. In the 26 model year car like this, we get the big 13.1 inch screen. We've got the top view camera, the 360 surround view camera, and of course the towing camera. Air suspension switchable here, heated front and rear screens, and then we've got the Pivi Pro interface with wireless smartphone integration, loads of different four-wheel drive terrain modes to play around with, and of course the jump seat. Now, why is it so important? Well, for us, it makes the car more desirable. It gives it more practical elements, because you've got the armrest if you need it to, but then if you want a third passenger in the middle, that's what you do, and then you sit there. So this is a great vehicle, really is. If you're watching this on YouTube and you're interested in buying this, give me a call. My number's on the screen, it ends in 818. Stunning from every angle, this, in a new condition, great colour, Carpathian Grey. And it's on the website now. Give me a call. It's Richard. Thanks for watching.